Okay, we'll only talk. I don't know if you can say this. I don't know. You guys might be knowing. He cooks great. He cooks very, very well, and he loves to feed people who he loves. Okay, and for me, somehow the first time when he cooked, he made this chicken pakoda. He made it himself. I by mistake said I loved it. Until today, whenever he sees me, he puts 3 plates of chicken pakoda and says, finish it. Okay, and then I said, now I'm telling him, my next film, konjam transformation, I need to diet, I cannot eat pakoda. He said, no, you are not living without eating. So he came home and he bought that pakoda to cook, and he went into our kitchen and he made pakoda. So now I think I have to live with pakoda, chicken pakoda, giving his nicely, probably telling his friends, everyone. He played the Hit 3 trailer also to everyone. And he's waiting to watch the film. I think if he's here, he'll be watching it here. Otherwise, if he's coming to Hyderabad, we'll all watch together. So it's always how excited he is. And he also asked me about my films where we discuss. So it's all cinema and the brotherhood and lots and lots of love.